Hello, my awesome friends. Good to see you all. Today's topic is tips and tricks related to phonic and vowels. Kids, you can learn the phonic sounds as A as in ant, B as in bed, C as in cat, D as in dog, E as in egg, F as in fan, G as in gun, H as in hat, I as in ink, J as in jug, K as in kid, L as in leg, M as in mug, N as in net, O as in orange, P as in pen, Q as in quiz, R as in rat, S as in sun, T as in 10, U as in umbrella, V as in van, W as in wet, X as in X-ray, Y as in yo-yo, Z as in zip, S as in fish, CH as in chair, O as in moon, E as in jeep. My lovely kids, the vowels are A, E, I, O, U and other letters are consonant. The vowels are very easy. You can learn on your fingertips like A, E, I, O, U. And phonograms. The phonograms are a letter or combination of letter that represents a sound. Example: at, up, am, up, and many more. The first vowel is A. Some examples of A word are cat, bat, rat, hat, mat, fat, pat, sat, jam, dam, tap, cap, bag, tag, day, man, pay, and many more. The second vowel is E. The words are ten, pen, hen, den, men, bed, net, jet, wet, and many more. The third vowel is I. The words are bib, fin, bin, tin, sip, zip, nip, lip, hip, lid, fit, pig, and many more. Fourth vowel is O, and the words are top, mop, pot, cot, hot, coat, pod, box, ox, dog, log, and many more. The fifth vowel is U, and the words are bun, sun, gun, jug, mug, rug, nut, hut, cup, pup, tub, cub, and many more. Kids, you can build words by including vowel and consonant. Some examples are an, up, hat, pan, bed, net, pig, hop, mop, top, and many more. Blending letters. The kids, so you can blend two or more consonants. Blending can be done in beginning and at the end of the word, like examples: crab, step, clip, frog, swan, strap, and many more. Making new words with consonant and H. Examples: check, chin, punch, graph, fish, shop, bath, and many more. Some sounds like quack, like duck, squirrel, and many more. BKW are sometimes silent. Example: thumb, knot, wrist, and many more. Kids, some long vowel sounds like child, cold, I, he, she, we are vowel sounds. If Y is at the last letter of a word, then the sound will be I. For example, cry, fly, sky, spy. If Y is at the last letter of the word with two sounds, it will say E. Like for example, baby, candy, puppy. If I is at the last letter of the word, it will usually say E. For example, taxi. Kids making music with vowel and R. For example, star, folk, bird, and many more. Vowel plus consonant plus E. Magic of E. For example, cake, grape, kite, and nine. For example, silent E. Phone, rope, flute, cube, and many more. Vowel plus C plus E. Face, vowel plus G plus E. Cage, and many more. Long A. Two vowels are together. Say the first one. Like example, rain, chain, brain, day, tray. Usually, AI is the middle of the word, while AY is at the end of the letter. Example, streak, 8. E. Like example, leaf, bean, reed, bee, eel, green, sheep, 3, key, money, honey, and many more. Long I, pie, die, tie. E sound with example, alien, chief, thief. Usually, IE is in the middle of a word, which makes long E sound. If IE is at the end of the word, then it will make I sound. If IE follows the letter C, then it becomes EI and makes long E sound. For example, ceiling, receipt, receive, light, night, and many more. Long O sound. Long O sound examples are boat, coat, goat, soap, crow, snow, window. Some exceptions are shoe and many more. Long U like cashew, screw, blue, glue, fruit, suit, tooth, pool, boot, and zoo. Some more sounds like awe, August, saw, awe, cloud, crow, cow, coin, toy. Short E like bread, thread. Short O sound like book, hook, and many more. Kids, some more examples of short and long vowels like A as in cat, pat, mat, tag, long vowel, cake, rain, day, 8. E sound, bed, peg, bell, long vowel, sheet, meat, teeth, me, seat. I sound, big, pin, sit, and long vowel, ride, die, night, bribe. O sound, ob, cop, cot, long vowel, soak, go, toe, bone, load. U sound, hut, tub, grub, mug, sun. Long vowel, blue, tube, cube, and many more. As you can see, what is long vowel? Long vowel are spoken when two vowels appear next to each other. For example, train. And when E appears at the end of the word, like cake. Long A words. There are many examples as you can see in my sheet. Long A words are like alien, data, basic. And long E words examples are we, be, she, me and many more. Long I words examples are idea, item, pilot, silent and many more. Long O words examples are oval, hotel, ago, total, yoga, no and many more. Sound changes like zoo, tool, moon, school. Short O words like book, cook, hook, shook and many more. Few examples are unit, uniform, student, duty, fuel, future, human and many more. Kids, what are digraphs? Digraph is two letters that combines together to correspond to one sound. For example, consonant digraphs. Example, ch, ch, sh, sh, th, th. For example, vowel digraphs are u, e, u, r, e, a. Consonant digraphs examples. Digraphs can make initial sound and come in the beginning, middle or end of the word. I have listed some examples as you can see in my list. Vowel digraph examples are: vowel digraphs are typically placed in the middle of the word. Examples as you can see in my chart. And enjoy. Diphthong. Diphthong is a vowel sound in which the tongue changes position to produce the sound of two vowels. Some examples are as follows, like aw, traw, law, saw, draw, crawl. Aw sound, flaunt, author, cause, pause, applause. O sound, food, room, soon, zoo, bamboo, shampoo. Aw sound, boy, toy, joy, enjoy, oyster. O sound, out, house, found, round, cloud, loud, cough and many more. Vowel combination. The combination of digraphs and diphthongs are given below. Some examples of words you can see. This is an exercise to pronounce all the words you can see in my sheet. You are enjoying speaking all the vowel sounds. Oh, my lovely kids, you enjoyed the video. So, for any query or doubt, kindly comment me. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.